Science Fair Project Ideas for 6th Grade, Nurturing Young Minds with Innovation and Discovery. Today, we'll explore how engaging educational projects transform learning into an exciting adventure. The journey to finding the perfect science fair project is an adventure in itself, offering a first-hand thrill of discovery. Understanding the project's implications enriches this journey, making learning a truly experiential process. Experiential learning turns theoretical knowledge into practical wisdom. For your child's science fair, it's crucial to choose a project that emphasizes hands-on experiences to foster lifelong academic growth. Did you know the dropping egg experiment teaches kids about motion and shock absorption? It's a simple yet effective way to introduce concepts used by NASA for Mars rovers. By delving into hands-on projects, 6th graders embark on an enlightening journey into science. This approach instills knowledge, curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking skills through engaging science fairs. From eco-friendly compost projects to simple kitchen chemistry, these ideas introduce complex theories in a fun and exciting manner. The digital age offers abundant resources like online tutorials and virtual simulations to fuel research. Through practical exposure, students build strong cognitive connections, making sense of the world around them. This approach shapes future scientists to navigate real-world challenges confidently. Crafting a mini ecosystem teaches scientific concepts like biodiversity and environmental conservation. This hands-on project engages students actively, reinforcing learning through observation and participation. The world of physics comes alive with DIY experiments demonstrating concepts like Newton's third law of motion. Activities like the egg drop challenge and building an electromagnet encourage creativity and problem solving. Bridging theory with practice is vital in 6th grade education. Interactive projects demystify scientific principles and foster appreciation for the subject, helping students internalize concepts through tangible experiences. Chemical reactions at home offer a safe, educational, fun way to explore science. Experiments like the vinegar and baking soda volcano and homemade slime provide experiential learning opportunities. Creating simple electrical circuits introduces students to electricity and circuitry. This hands-on experience reinforces textbook knowledge, sparking curiosity and aiding understanding. Innovative project concepts cultivate young scientists by inspiring curiosity and intellectual growth. Selections from various domains provide hands-on experiences, encouraging students to become explorative learners. Focusing on renewable energy models, like wind and solar power projects, can ignite an interest in STEM. These projects, grounded in experiential learning, merge fun with educational content, perfectly suited for 6th graders. Join us at Little Learner's Zone as we nurture young minds with innovation and discovery through science fair projects, where learning becomes an adventure of creativity and exploration.